How to restore the CMOS to factory settings. Before you begin, remove the side panel, the optical drive if installed, the front bezel, and the hard drive cage. Important: CMOS factory settings should be restored as a first step before replacing the motherboard. Removal: remove the battery from the motherboard. Wait 30 seconds. Replacement: replace the battery to the motherboard. CMOS factory settings are now reset. Important: you will now need to enter System BIOS and reset the clock in the BIOS after this procedure.